Hello Year 7 and welcome back to your second lesson of this week. We are going to continue looking at genre today. First thing we'd like you to do is match up the genre on the left with the correct feature on the right. So which genre has which of these features in it? Over the next few slides, you are going to see the blurbs for lots of different books. Your job is to guess which genre it belongs to and explain why you think that. So what clues have been in the blurbs that have led you to making that decision? There is an example on this slide to show you. So for example, the blurb, Rafe is rich, bored and wicked. Why chase an online romance when he could have an IRL date with that gorgeous waitress at the cafe? But Valerie's not interested in rich guys, so Rafe will have to become someone else. I've said that this is the romance genre, okay? And the evidence for this is that I have two main characters or protagonists, so Rafe and Valerie. The vocabulary choices that have been made in this blurb are a semantic field of romance. Now, if you think back to the poetry work that we did, we looked at what the term semantic field means. It means a group of words that are linked by topic or theme. So in this case, I've chosen 3 of the pieces of vocabulary that stood out to me and made me think it was a romance novel. And finally, I've got the fact that there is an obstacle to love happening. Now, that's quite often something that occurs in romance novels. So I've got the phrase, my evidence, Valerie's not interested in rich guys. So have a look at this. See if you can work out why those pieces of evidence have been chosen and how it led to me thinking it was a romance novel. And then have a go yourself on the next few slides. So you'll see that at the top of each slide I've got some genres of novels that you can choose from. We've got the blurb and then the place where you can write your genre or your evidence. Of course, you can do it in your workbook, on paper, on a Word document, however you are working. Okay, so now you've had a go at all of those. Your job is to write your own blurb. So you need to choose a genre. I don't mind what genre you choose, but you need to have a go at writing the short blurb in the style of that genre. And you need to think about how you're going to make it clear to your reader what style book it is without saying this is an action story or this is a fantasy story. Your blurb should be no more than 5 sentences long. Okay, so you do not want to write lots and lots for it. You are not to say what genre the book is, and it should intrigue your reader and make them want to read on. Okay, make them want to open the book and read more. Once you've had a go at this, send your work to your teacher, do your best, make sure you check your spelling, punctuation and grammar, and I will see you tomorrow.